Hey everybody, I'll get straight to the point. We're giving away 10 free slots in our upcoming Fermenting Foundations course. If you want to enter to win, there's a link in the description. We're doing this through a company called Rafflecopter, and they basically handle the random selection of our winners. If you want to enter to win one of these spots in the course, you have between now and Sunday night. That is Sunday night, September 27th at midnight. So go through the link in the video description below this video so that you can have a chance to win. Everyone who signs up for this giveaway will get some free fermenting resources throughout this week, including a video where Anna and I sit down and actually answer your frequently asked questions. And we're gonna take the questions from the YouTube comments on a sauerkraut video we made back and actually sit down and answer those, so you'll get access to that. I partnered with my little sister Anna. Here's my sister. Here's my sister Anna. To build a vegetable fermenting course that's specifically designed to take beginning fermenters or people who have never fermented and walk them through the process to where they can be actually proficient fermenters of all types of vegetable foods. The course is going to start on October 5th, and it's a 3-week course. The basic design is that each week you have informational videos, some resource sheets, and a fermenting project that's paired with the information videos so that you can learn concepts and then advance them through the week. We cover 11 different recipes in the course. 11 different versions of fermented food, from sauerkraut, of course, to fermented carrot sticks, to kimchi, chow chow, as well as a hot sauce and a really awesome whole grain mustard. But one of our goals in the course is actually to not only get people proficient at doing these versions of fermenting, but also empower you to go out and ferment anything with the resources we've given you. We cover everything from measuring with a scale and doing a precise salt percentage to going completely freestyle and fermenting by taste. The cool thing about this run of the course is this is the beta launch, and that means we're only offering this to people who come in through our channel. We're not really pushing it out to a larger audience. In this launch, we're going to give a huge amount of attention, specifically Anna. I'll be involved, but Anna's going to give a huge amount of attention to interacting, answering questions, and making sure that every single person learns what they need to learn. Because it's a beta launch, we want to make sure that everyone has the best experience. And so it is not likely that we'll ever release the course again in the future with that level of backup support and interaction. That's one of the things that really excites me about the course is having this goal in mind to take every person who comes through it and get them what they need, answer all of their questions. Okay guys, thanks for listening. If you want a chance to win one of these 10 slots in our course, or if you're just interested in the course itself or the free material that we'll be sending out this week, sign up below and you'll be in. All right, we'll see you soon. Bye.